Apple is saying 40% better sustained performance. So the Pro iPhones actually look a little bit different. There's actually quite a bit going on here with this new design. First of all, there's only 3 colors: cosmic orange, deep blue, and silver. Really bumming me out that there's no black Pro phone. But then the thing that's going to catch everyone's eye on the back is the camera bar up at the top, which is what Apple keeps calling in their keynote a plateau. It kind of looks a little bit like the Pixel's visor, or frankly what we've been seeing on a ton of other Android phones for years now, just a huge bar across the top of the back of the phone. But it's actually not just cameras in here. Apple's done some rearranging of the insides of the phone to actually shove more components, like the A19 Pro chip and the logic board and storage up here in that bar, so they could fill out more of the bottom of the phone with more battery. But my first reaction to that is, oh yeah, great. That sounds like these Pro phones might actually come with a real substantial battery upgrade from last year, which is again very welcome. But then the other new design element is that they actually switched back to aluminum, which is interesting because we just saw like 2 years ago the iPhone 15 Pros. Now they're switching back to aluminum in a unibody form because it's much better thermally. And so there's also a new vapor chamber right in the middle of the back of this phone. First time we've seen a vapor chamber on the iPhone. And so this new cooling system and new unibody aluminum build should mean the iPhone shouldn't get nearly as hot from sustained loads to the chip, which is different from normal bursty quick on and off workloads of everyday use. I'm talking more about like rendering long videos or playing an intense game for a long time with ray tracing at high frame rates. This phone should be able to keep cool and keep that performance high without overheating. Apple is saying 40% better sustained performance.